A judge in Indianapolis is expediting so-called red flag protocols after a shooter killed 8 people at a FedEx facility. They're for when police confiscate firearms from someone considered a danger to themselves or to others. They have 48 hours to report it, so judges can decide whether to call a hearing. In Marion County, police have been taking such cases to the prosecutor's office. Richard Essex reports now Judge Amy Jones wants the reports to come straight to court.
Police say Brandon Hull murdered 8 people at a FedEx facility with 2 rifles he bought after his mother called police and voluntarily surrendered a shotgun owned by Hull. The Marion County prosecutor, Ryan Mears, has been criticized for not filing the case under the state's red flag law. Indiana University law professor Jody Madeira says the new guidelines issued by Judge Jones are unusual but not unexpected.
And I think that since the FedEx shooting, this discretion has been questioned. Brandon Hull there had no record of violence. And so the prosecutor said, well, they've agreed to give up their firearm. If we file for red flag, then we might actually trigger the set of due process protections that will require us to give the firearm back.
At the time of the FedEx shooting, IMPD had presented 45 red flag cases to the Marion County Prosecutor's Office. At the time, 8 of those cases were presented to a judge. According to Professor Madeira, the Indiana red flag law does not require police to take a case to the prosecutor's office in the first place.
Something that could vary county to county, because I do not think that the red flag law, has any specific procedures other than law enforcement shall go to a court. And it doesn't say law enforcement have to go to the prosecutor to go to the court.
The Marion County Prosecutor's Office says it will still be involved in red flag cases under the new guidelines.